Next thing I sold was Tom Brady, Good Riddance. Get out of my store, get out of my house.
Hey Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You came back. Why would you? So glad you did. Cora's moving around. Easy, honey. First thing that sold. I'll go with the sports cards first. Get them out of the way. First thing that sold was Myles Garrett. There's 4 different cards in here. I'll put them up on the screen. There's 2 Myles Garretts, 1 Nick Chubb, and some other Cleveland Brown player. But I just did a Cleveland Brown lot, and I believe it sold for $9.95. Next thing I sold was Tom Brady, Good Riddance. Get out of my store, get out of my house. There's 2 of them in here. I got these for next to nothing, just like the other ones. And it's 2 different ones. And this is from 2021, and I believe it sold for $9.95 as well. I'll put the comp up. Next thing that sold was something I've been talking about in my last video, Jorge Solaire, 1 of 99 autograph, and it sold for $17. Next thing that sold was this Shohei Ohtani. It's a cool, I think they call it fireworks. It's got a great hologram on it. It's Donruss, so it's Panini, and when it comes to baseball, you can't show the Angels symbols or even say Angels. I think it just says Los Angeles. Didn't even say that. But this sold for $15, and I bought it for $4. Next thing that sold were some CDs. First one is Rob Zombie, Hellbilly Deluxe. Hellbilly Deluxe. $6.95 plus shipping on top. We're just talking about this in my last live. Nickelback. And why they aren't that good is because their songs all sound the same. Which is a good point. It sold within a couple hours. I think these 2 sold for, I believe, $11.95. I don't know the comps. There's too many that sold this time. The next one is 3 Linkin Park CDs, and this sold pretty quickly too. And I'll put the comp up. I'm not sure how much that was. Next 3 things that sold were video game and consoles. Wii Just Dance 3 sold for, I believe, $7.95, and a whole Wii bundle, black Wii, black remote, and it sold to one of the wholesalers that are always buying on eBay. I believe it went $50, 45, I don't know, 45. I just want it gone out of my store. I have too much crap here. Next thing I sold was another Wii console. This one's white, has 3 games with it. Let's see what the games are, I forget. Oh yeah, because it has this rifle with it. Hunting rifle. Actually it's a sniper gun. And so I had Paintball Championship, Call of Duty Modern War, and Cabela's Dangerous Hunts, because they're all games that use the weapons. And it's been sitting there for quite a while, and just sitting there hanging out at $69.95, and someone went in and paid for it. So I'm guessing people are looking and hunting for those Christmas present like items. So I had 10 sales over the last day, and that's a good day for me. So sales are up and up, and make sure you push that down, and grind on, friends. Seasons, Chris Cornell.
from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.